Why do homeowners in Cumbria choose Miller's Roofing? Let's find out. From consultations to final installations, we handle it all with precision and care. Imagine your roof revitalized and looking brand new. Our expert team transforms your home's exterior, enhancing its curb appeal and value. That's the magic of Miller's Roofing. We use top quality materials and the latest techniques to ensure durability and beauty. With over 30 years of experience, we ensure your home is protected. Our skilled professionals are dedicated to delivering excellence in every project. Check out these amazing before and afters. See the stunning transformations and imagine the possibilities for your own home. Email us at info@millersroofing.co.uk for a free quote today. Our friendly team is ready to assist you with all your roofing needs. Visit www.millersroofing.co.uk to learn more. Explore our services, view our portfolio, and read testimonials from satisfied customers.